Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check router history on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Here's how you can view your router's history on your phone. Whether you are using an iPhone or an Android device, you can check the history of every website and IP address that has connected to your router. It is easy to do, so let me walk you through it. Step 1. Find your router's IP address. First, open your settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Here, you'll see the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Tap the little eye next to your network. Now scroll down to find the router's IP address. Tap and hold on the IP address and select Copy. Step 2. Access your router's settings. Next, open a web browser like Safari or Chrome and paste the copied IP address into the URL bar, then press Go. This will take you to your router's login page. Step 3. Log in to your router. Log in with your username and password. These are often printed on the back of your router if you haven't changed them. Step 4. Find the logs. Once logged in, look for an option labeled Diagnostics or Log. And that is everything you need to know about how to check router history on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.